guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shanice here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today is my hair wash routine on my Brazilian smoothed treated hair. And normally my hair wash routine is completely different on my curly hair, but because my hair is in a different state, I need to do different methods, use different products. So the first thing I like to start with is actually virgin coconut oil. Now normally I stay away from coconut oil because my curly hair does not like it. It dries my hair out. But like I said, because my hair is in a different state, this is magical for my scalp and for my hair. And apparently it's proven to keep your hair straighter for longer. So what I like to do is I'll just firstly just look at my hair. And I don't do anything special because this is gonna be washed right out. This is not a deep conditioning treatment. So I just lather some up on my hands and put it on my hair. I tend to leave this in for about a couple of hours. I kind of just do my whole morning routine with this in my hair. Sorry if I'm looking away, I'm actually looking in the mirror to make sure I don't drop any on this carpet. Okay, so after I put it the perimeter of my hair, then I'll go on to sectioning it. So I'll do a little half up, half down. Nothing fancy, guys, nothing fancy. I just clip it up. All right, the middle's exposed.
If you're wondering, what's this girl's tag doing out of her shirt? It's just a sign that you should tag a friend down below or just help a sister out and share the video. Now back to the actual video.
Add some here. What I do like to do though, once I start to section it off, is I kind of massage my scalp with the oil. Because this is actually my third time washing my hair, but my second time using the coconut oil, and it really helped my scalp. The first week of having this treatment in my hair, my scalp got so dry. I was so concerned because I've never suffered with dry scalp like that. Like, it was flaking. It was so disgusting. And after I did some research and I saw that coconut oil really helps with the dryness of the scalp. So I did it 2 weeks ago when I washed my hair last, and it really helped. I didn't suffer with any dryness of the scalp for 2 weeks. I was fine. So I guess coconut oil does wonders. Just kind of massage my scalp. And massaging your scalp anyway is really good for blood circulation in the head, which helps in hair growth. So, killing two birds in one. Okay, I think this might be enough. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, after this oil, all my hair is oiled up and slicked, I'm just gonna put it in a bun. And like I said, I'm gonna go on with my morning routine. And then later on, I'll just proceed with my wash day.
So here I'm just washing my hair. As you can see, I sped up the clips because washing your hair is self-explanatory. So I'm getting my hair all wet, making sure I'm massaging my scalp. I really enjoy massaging my scalp. And then I'm using my shampoo. So I'll insert a picture of the shampoo that I'm using. It's a Shea Moisture black soap shampoo. And again, make sure I'm massaging the scalp. I really enjoy massaging my scalp, guys. It just feels so good, honestly. There you go. Again, massaging the scalp, but this time with a scalp massager. I really get in there because, like I said, I want to make sure my scalp is completely clean. That way I can keep my hair in this state for much longer instead of having to wash it every week. And I rinse it out. And I believe I shampooed twice because I did add a lot of coconut oil to my hair. Yeah, so I shampooed twice. This time I make sure I really rinse out the shampoo because next I'll be going in with the conditioner. So here I'm sectioning off my hair in two. And I'm using a conditioner, and I mainly use a conditioner to detangle my hair. So as you can see here, I'm going in with a wet comb. I got this years ago at Walmart, and I'm just detangling. I don't rinse out the conditioner right away because conditioner does help to obviously condition your hair, so I just leave it in until I do the other section. So after I conditioned my hair, I proceeded to deep condition, but I guess some of my clips got deleted. After putting the deep conditioner in my hair, I placed a plastic bag over my head and I used my microfiber towel to really lock in that heat. And I left the deep conditioner in for about an hour. So it's been about an hour now. After deep conditioning, I rinsed it out and put it back up in the microfiber towel to air dry for a little bit. As you can see, my hair still has texture. It's not just pin straight. So now I'm going to blow dry. I'll link the products that I used down below. Heat protectant is so important. And of course my chi oil, which I find key. So I section my hair off. It's always important to work in sections. And this time I'm going to do 4 sections. They don't have to be perfect. And clip those up. Use my heat protectant. And I'm really generous with the heat protectant. And detangle. I like to detangle because I like to make sure that the product gets distributed evenly. And then I go in with my chi oil. I'm not really heavy-handed with this one because, again, it is oil. And we're just blow drying. Make sure you coat those ends. And again, detangle. So I actually bought this brush because the woman who did my hair used this on me. And before, guys, I was just using a blow dryer and a paddle brush. And I hated blow drying my hair because it took so long, but this really cuts down my drying time. I like to start off at the ends and kind of roll in the ends. And then work my way up. I love this blow dryer. What took me so long to get one? Kind of giving myself here like a little blowout by rolling the ends. I don't know, I think I'm doing something right. Make sure you get those roots. And that's it for that section. I'm doing the same thing for the other sections. That's why I'm just speeding through this part. And this is my hair blow dried. It's about 90% dry here. And I'm going in with the straight guard because I really want to make sure the roots are blow dried as straight as possible. So the section I'm putting up here is already done. I'm showing you guys how I do it on the other section. So it's like a blow dry cream. Make sure I'm getting the roots all the way down to the ends. So this is going to really make sure that my hair is completely dried as straight as possible. And here I'm just going to do my entire head. And really just make sure everything is dried. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe for more and share with a friend. Until next time, bye.